Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to play Rocket Man on piano using an easy method. Start with the C major chord, then move to G major. Next, transition to a minor, and finally to F major. Repeat this 4-chord progression for the verse. Keep your left hand playing single root notes for each chord to simplify the accompaniment. This foundational pattern is key to mastering the song quickly. For the right hand, we'll tackle the verse melody. It primarily uses notes like G, A, C, and D. Focus on the rhythm and timing of the Rocket Man phrase. Start slowly, ensuring each note is clear and in time with your left-hand chords. This simple approach makes the melody accessible for beginners. Now, let's move to the chorus. The chords here are D minor, G major, C major, and F major. The rhythm can be a bit more driving than the verse, but still keep it simple. Focus on smooth transitions between these 4 chords. Consistent practice will help you build muscle memory for the chorus. To bring it all together, practice playing both hands simultaneously for the verse and chorus sections. Start very slowly, perhaps at 60 beats per minute, gradually increasing your speed. Dedicate about 10 minutes each day to focused practice. Soon, you'll be playing Rocket Man with ease and enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.